Hi, in this video we will see how we can increase or manage the virtual memory of our Windows computer. It will really boost our computer's performance. So let's see how we can increase the virtual RAM or virtual memory on our Windows computer. At first click on the search box and then start typing system. So once you type system, if you don't find like system which is under control, basically you cannot go directly over there. So for that case you can start typing settings. So once we type settings, we'll find the settings application is there. We just need to click here and the settings application will be open. From here on the left side we'll find system is there. We just need to click here and the system related information will be there. We just need to go at the bottom by scrolling, and here we will find about option is there. We just need to click the about and the about will be open. From here we can easily check the existing RAM of my current computer. So my computer, I'm seeing it has almost 4 GB of RAM. Okay, so remember it because we need it later. So in this way you can choose, you can find the RAM of your current computer. Now here you will find another link is there, advanced system settings. So two things are there, right? Our computer has 4 GB of RAM and there is a advanced system settings. This thing is there, so we just need to click here and it will open this type of window. So from here we'll see advanced. There are a couple of tabs are there like computer name, hardware, advanced. We need to click advanced, so the advanced panel will be opened. From here the first section is performance. We just need to click the settings from this performance area. I'm going to click here and the settings related option will be opened. From here we'll again find couple of tabs are there. The second tab is called advanced. We just need to click here, the advanced tab will be opened. From here we'll see the virtual memory is there. So this is the area for virtual memory. Right now it has like 1.5 GB of virtual memory. We just need to change it. So to change it we just need to click the change button. There is a button, it is called change. I'm going to click here and the change button, after clicking the change button, this type of window will be appeared. So the first thing we need to do, there will be a checkbox, right? Automatically manage paging file size for all devices. What we need to do, we just need to uncheck this thing first. Okay, once we uncheck this thing, then it will be looking like this. From here we have to choose custom size. I'm going to click here, the custom size. Now here we need to set the size. There are two options are there, like initial size and maximum size. So here we are seeing like 4 GB of memory, right? So we have to multiply 4 GB. This is 4 GB, right? We can open the calculator and I'm going to calculate something so that this thing will be optimized and we can make our computer faster. So here initial size and maximum. The initial size will be like 1.5 times of this current memory size, and the maximum size will be 3 times of this current memory size. So here we are seeing like 4 GB of memory. So I'm going to type 4, that means 4 GB of memory, and 1 GB equal to 1024 megabyte, because here it is showing megabyte, that's why we need to convert it to megabyte. So into like 1024. So basically we have this much memory, right? So here we need to put the size which is 1.5 times is higher. So we are multiplying by 1.5 and this is the size. So here we need to put like this thing 6144. Okay, now the maximum size. So here again we are going to click it here. So this is 4 GB of RAM. So 1 GB is equal to 1024. So we have 4 GB RAM. That's why I'm going to press 4 and we have this much megabyte of RAM, right? So I told you here the maximum size will be 3 times of this current memory size. I mean the physical memory size, which is the RAM. So I'm going to multiply by 3 and it is coming like this megabytes. So I'm going to type 12288 and that's it. In this way we can easily set the initial size and maximum size. once we complete this part, we need to press OK button, and then after that we need to apply or OK. In this way, finally we can close this thing. And once we set this thing, I mean these changes, we need to reboot our system. And once we reboot our system, now our computer will have this much memory size. That means not memory size, this much virtual memory size. And in this way we can easily increase or manage the virtual memory of our Windows computer, and it really boosts our computer's performance. That's it guys. In this way, hopefully by applying all the steps, you can easily increase or manage the virtual memory of your Windows computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.